Hey everybody, this is your unit price video. So have this paper in front of you so we can be ready to go. Starts off by saying the frugal family is trying to save as much money as they can. One way they are doing this is to find deals while grocery shopping. Frugal, by the way, means spending your money wisely. Question 1 says, at Meathead's Meat Market, hamburger costs $5.99 for 3 pounds, and at Bonehead's Butcher Barn, hamburger costs $7.97 for 4 pounds. Well, here's the big idea. It's hard to compare 3 pounds versus 4 pounds. With these prices, it's difficult to just look at them and tell which one is cheaper or costs more money. So this family can choose between the two places. They want to find the one that's going to save them the most. So 3 pounds and 4 pounds don't help us out. We need to know how much it's going to cost per pound. We need the unit rate, which means how much it costs, how much something is for one, but in this case it's really unit price because we're dealing with money. So the question says, what is the unit price of hamburger at each store? So what I would like you to do, and you can use a calculator if you wish, I would like you to divide. Unit rate, unit price is always division. I would like you to divide so you can find out how much a pound of hamburger costs at each place. So please hit pause and go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to divide $5.99 by 3. And when we do that, we're getting something that goes farther than the hundredths place. So why am I saying farther than the hundredths place? Money only goes out 2 decimal places. So the 9 is in the tenths place, the second 9 here is in the hundredths place. So down here, we have the 1 is in the ones place, the 9's in the tenths place, the next 9 is in the hundredths place, and the 6 is in the thousands place. So if this is the case, we look to the hundredths place, this 9, because that's the number we're going to round to. If we go to the right of that, the 6 is 5 or above, the 6 tells us to move this 9 up. But the 9 is the highest single digit number, so we got to move the 9 in the tenths place up, which is also a 9. So we keep moving our way to the left until we find something we can move up. And this 1 we can bump up to a 2, telling us that it is $2 per pound of hamburger at Meathead's Market. So if you haven't done it yet, hit pause and do the second one. All right, so I'm taking $7.97. I'm going to divide that by 4. I come out with something that is farther out than the hundredths place. So this second 9 is still in the hundredths place. If I look to the right, the 2 is 4 below, meaning I'm going to leave that 9 alone, telling us that this is $1.99 per pound at Bonehead's. So if we look at these two, first of all, they are both rates because we're comparing two different things, dollars and pounds, dollars and pounds. And since it's price, we're talking about unit price here. I hope it's easy to tell that Bonehead's is 1 cent cheaper than Meathead's. The next question says, if the frugals want to save money, where should they go to buy hamburgers? So they should go to Bonehead's if they want to save money because that is 1 cent cheaper. So your job for tonight is to answer this final question. So letter C on your paper says, how much would 3.5 pounds of burger cost if it were bought at the place with a cheaper unit price? So if you would please have that in class tomorrow, and this has been your unit price video.